Let's make white sauce pasta. Boil the pasta and set aside. Take boneless chicken. Add salt, black pepper, white pepper, chili flakes, and sriracha. Mix them well. Add oil in a pan and let it heat. Add marinated chicken and let it cook on medium-low flame. Chicken is ready. Prepare white sauce. Add 2 tablespoons butter in a pan. Add 3 tablespoons of white flour. Mix it well. Add 2 cups of milk and boil it until thickens. Add 1 tablespoon of salt, black pepper, and chili flakes. Mix them well. White sauce is ready. Add boiled pasta and prepared sauce. Now add half the quantity of prepared chicken. Mix them well. White sauce pasta is ready.